Hi. In this video, I want to show you how you can set up easy SharePoint for Zoho CRM for custom modules. In my CRM, I have a module called Trainings. Whenever a new training record is created, I want a folder to be created automatically in SharePoint. First, let's go to the module settings and create a new field to save the SharePoint folder ID. I'm going to name it SharePoint Folder ID and click Save. This is the first step you need to complete. Then go to Settings. Under Automation, click on Workflow Rules. Then create a new rule. I'm going to select my Trainings module. Now I will name the rule SharePoint for Training Module. Click Next. Select Record Action. Choose Create, then click Next. Select all training records, then click Next. Now click on Custom Actions and select Easy SharePoint. I'm going to select Create SharePoint Folder. Here we have two options for the root folder type. In my case, it is going to be static. Then select the root folder. I'm going to select this Test SharePoint site. You can select whichever site you want. Then select Documents. Over here, you can create a new folder or select an existing one. I'm going to name the folder Training and then click Save. Then select that folder. Before saving the folder structure, you may want to change the folder structure, which will be the naming convention for your folders. I'm going to press Shift+3 on my Windows computer and then select the field. This is the custom module name. I can also add a subfolder if I want. Press Shift+3 again and select another field. Now save the folder structure. Next, you have the option to select whether you want to save this folder ID or not. We already created a field for that in the beginning, so I'm going to select the SharePoint Folder ID field. Now, you have three options if you want to save the external share URL. I'm going to select No for now. But if you want to save your share URLs, you will need to create a field in your custom module first. Then you can select that field and save it. Now click Save. I will name this action Create SharePoint Folder. Then click Save. Now click Save again. If I go to my Trainings module and create a new training record, I can enter CRM Training as the name. Then I will give it the year 2024. Now, if I click Save and go to my SharePoint, then click Refresh, I should see one new folder called CRM Training under the Training folder. Inside that folder, I should also see the 2024 folder. This is based on the workflow rule that we created. The main folder is the training name, and the subfolder is the year. So this is how you can set up a workflow rule for custom modules and automatically create folders and subfolders in SharePoint.